Hey there, travelers! If you love traveling as much as I do, you surely appreciate anything that can save you time at the airport. Well, today I've got some exciting news for you. Let's talk about Global Entry. Global Entry is a must-have for frequent travelers. It allows expedited clearance for pre-approved, low-risk travelers upon arrival in the United States. No more long lines at immigration, just a quick and easy process. Now, the big news. Citizens from a growing list of countries can apply for Global Entry membership. Here's the rundown. Argentina, Bahrain, Brazil, Colombia, Croatia, Dominican Republic, Germany, India, Mexico, Netherlands, Panama, Republic of Korea, Singapore, Switzerland, Taiwan, and the United Kingdom. And of course, US citizens and lawful permanent residents are also eligible. Imagine breezing through customs after a long flight from, say, Buenos Aires or Seoul. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a dream that can come true with Global Entry. Applying is straightforward. First, fill out an online application and pay a fee. Then, you'll need to schedule an in-person interview at a Global Entry enrollment center. If you're approved, you'll enjoy 5 years of expedited travel bliss. Here's a pro tip. Global Entry also includes TSA Precheck, which means faster security screening on your way out too. Talk about a win-win. So if you're from any of these countries, or if you're a US citizen or resident, don't wait. Apply for Global Entry and make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable. That's it for today, folks. Safe travels and see you on your next adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips and updates. Catch you next time. And remember, hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest travel tips and guides.